Good morning, students. I am Raja Rajeshwari from Milton Metric Higher Secondary School, Melur. I am working as an English teacher. Now we are going to see a poem from 9th English, 2nd unit, A Peasantry by William Flake. William Flake's A Peasantry is a ballad poem which was sung to communicate a moral story. Here, our poet William Blake mentioned humans' bad character and bad behaviors as like a poison tree. Poison spoil our health and it leads to death. Like that, bad character or bad behavior spoils our good qualities. So, here our poet compared the suppressed anger as a poison tree. About the poet William Blake. William Blake was an English poet, painter, and printmaker. Blake is now considered a seminal figure in the history of English poetry. He was born in London. He was a boldly imaginative rebel in both his thought and his art. Some of his famous poems are The Lamp and The Tiger. Now I read the poem and explain. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. Explanation. Once the poet was angry with his friend. Dear students, watch it. Only our poet was angry with his friend, not enemy. So the poet did not want to break up with him. He still wanted to maintain his friendship. So he expressed his anger. When the friend knew the poet's anger, he realized his mistake. He apologized to his friend. Apologized means asked sorry because he eager to continue his friendship. Thus the poet's angry did come end. Wrath means angry. Students, listen third line. I was angry with my foe. I told it not my wrath did to grow. Explanation. Foe means enemy. This time the poet was angry with his enemy, not friend. Still, he did not want to maintain his friendship. So he suppressed his anger and allowed it to grow. I refers to the poet William Blake. Wrath means anger, foe means enemy. Now I read the poem and explain. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears, and I sunned it with smiles and with soft, deceitful veils. Deceitful means cunning, veils means tricks. Now I explain. The poet nursed his peasantry of anger with his fears and watered it with tears day and night. He put on a friendly mask and concealed his anger with a smiling face. Therefore, day and night, the poet watered it with his tears and allowed it to grow. He approached his enemy with false smiles and cunning tricks. Now I read the poem. And it grew both day and night till it bore an apple bright. And my foe beheld it shine, and he knew that it was mine. Now I explain. The peasantry grow. That means the poet's anger grow both day and night. The poet poets suppressed means did not express anger, grieve continually until it bore a beautiful shining apple. The poet's enemy saw the shining apple and he thought the apple was mine. Mine refers to poet's enemy. Now I read the poem. And into my garden stole when the night had veiled the pole. In the morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. Now I explain. The poet's enemy entered the poet's garden and he stole during the night. He ate the poison apple and he died. The next morning, the poet was happy to see his enemy lying dead under the tree. So, dear students, you got lot of friends. Sometime you are angry with your friend at the time he will express your anger and you continue your friendship. If you suppress your anger will grow like a poison tree. Here are some ideas to improve our good qualities. Good qualities which make an ordinary person loved and respected by all. We can develop by watching the life history of great leaders like Gandhiji, Abdul Kalam, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. We can ready to share our things with others. If we share, all will love us. Helping tendency and tolerate make peaceful life. Thank you, students. I hope you understand and enjoyed the poem and you will improve your good qualities. Thank you, students.